Hello and welcome back to another video. Now tonight I've got something completely different for you. Because I'm a tad over 50, just a little bit over 50, I thought it's about time I got my prostate checked. Being a little bit shy, I thought I'd do it myself in my camper van. Now don't worry, I'm not about to drop my cacks and bend over and expose myself to the world. I'm going to do it myself by simply pricking my finger and using a self-testing kit. Weirdly enough, I bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. So if you're male and you're over 50, I highly recommend getting your prostate checked at least once a year. But if, like me, you're a little bit shy, you can always do it yourself. Handy that. Right, let's open this up and see what's inside the box. And we'll give this kit a go. After all, I've got so much life left in me. I've got so much more I want to do. There's so much more I want to achieve. It'd be such a shame to fall foul to something like prostate illness, because apparently it kills a lot of men. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. Right, I'm not going to open this just yet because it says do not open this until you've read the instructions. So I'm going to quickly go through the instructions. Bear with me. Oops, that bit we don't need. Right, I'm going to quickly read this. I'm going to turn that off for a minute, go through this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've read the instructions. It seems quite straightforward-ish. You've got to be really precise, apparently. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to point the camera down here so you can see what I'm doing. You won't be able to see my face, but you'll be able to see my hands, which I guess is the important bit. So yeah, please do bear with me. I've not done this before, so I might have to read the instructions again as I go, because like I say, it does specify quite precise procedure. So right, let's bend you down. So right, let's bend the camera down and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so the first stage is to prepare the testing kit by opening this up and have it laid out in front of you, it says. I'm just going to throw the rubbish down there. So in here we have all the little bits we need. This is a tube. I need to get blood in this tube up to this black line. This is the actual testing kit, the actual tester. It's got two marks, a T and a C. We'll go more into detail on that in a minute. Don't know what that is. Oh, that's a silica bag. Right, okay, we don't need that. So this is our kit. This is our blood sucking device. And these are our prickers. So the thing I've got to do first is clean my finger. Yeah, I guess we'll just use this one. Clean it thoroughly with a bit of alcohol. I'm going to put that to one side in case this doesn't work. Now this I need to turn. This is the pricker, this is the trigger. I need to turn it once. Again and again. Up, there you go. It says you'll feel it release. Once it pings out, there you go. I'm glad you can't see my face. Right, let's just get some blood in my hand. I'm just going to shake my finger down. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. It says to press firm on the side of your finger and then pull the trigger. And then squeeze said finger until you get a good drop of blood. That don't look very good to me. Alright, let's just massage that out a bit more. Let's hold it down below my waist. There you go. Oh yeah, that looks like plenty. Now it's just to hold this next to it and the blood should go inside. And it does as well. Oh, need loads more than that. Oh crap. Just not in there enough. I can't get my blood to go in there. Oh, there we go. Haha. Massage it. There we go. Oh yeah, it's going in. Look at that. More. More, come on, more. I need more. It's getting a bit messy, this is. Right, there you go. So this is now full of blood. It does say don't get any bubbles in it, but I've got one bubble in there. So, oh well. Right, so now my blood sample's got to go into this little tray. Got a bubble, it says no bubbles. Is that a bubble? I can't see. Definitely got a bubble on it. I'm supposed to get the bubble off. That's it. Right, the bubble's popped. Thank God for that. Now, where's the little... Oh, there it is. Now I've got to put 4 drops of this in. It does say wait 30 seconds, so I'll need to put 4 drops of this in, precisely 4 drops. There's one. It says wait 2 or 3 seconds between drops. 2. I can see why it's soaking in. 3. It's a disaster. 4. Right. Now we wait exactly 10 minutes. So I've got my phone. Got it set for 10 minutes. So now I need to leave that for 10 minutes. Oh look, it's going up. There's a line going up inside it. It said that would happen. Right. I've got it around all the way. Should be that way around. So I can see a line already forming on that C. So on here we have, if it's 2 lines it's positive. If it's 1 thick line and a faint line, it's still positive. What we're looking for is 1 thick line above the C. This line says only 1 coloured line appears under the C mark control. This means that your PSA level is in the normal range. Invalid result would be nothing. Yeah, what's that meaning? If there is no line under the C control mark, the test is invalid and the result cannot be interpreted. This usually happens if the wrong amount of blood or diluent has been added. If the diluent has been added to the interpretation window by mistake. If this happens, please keep the test components and contact us. Right. So I guess we just have to wait 10 minutes. I can see a line appearing already where the C is. So fingers crossed. Well, wish me luck, and I'll get back to you in 10 minutes. The clock is ticking. I've got to say I'm quite nervous actually, because yeah, there is so much I want to do in my life. I've got so much I want to do, and one of those things I would like to achieve is to get 100,000 subscribers to my channel. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Help me achieve one of my lifetime ambitions, and that is to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I just want the plaque, that's all I want, just that little silver play button, so I can give it to my children when I'm shed my mortal coils. But hopefully not for a long time yet. Not getting the play button, shedding my mortal coils, I mean. Right, I'm going to shut up because there's still another 6 minutes to go, so I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'll see you in 6 minutes. Well, a couple of minutes still to go yet, but I've still only got 1 line, so it's looking quite, alright, yeah, quite positive. No, we don't want it to be positive, we want it to be negative. but for me it's looking positive. I thought I'd just read this out for those people that are interested and want to know. It says, how accurate is the test? This test is accurate and has been used for more than 10 years by medical professionals and is at least 88% accurate. So 88%, so it's not really 100% accurate. So if you do feel like you've got any symptoms of prostate cancer, then please do go to your doctor and get checked out. Don't rely solely on this test. I'm just doing this purely because I've never seen this done before, and I thought I'd make a little quick video all about it. Right, we've got 51 seconds to go, and it's still only got one line. I'll bring the camera down in a minute and show you. I just want to do it spot on 10 minutes. Because the results, it does show on here a little grey line, so you might get a little faint line if it's positive, or you'll get two solid black lines there. So this is what we want, a complete clear above the T, and it's still clear, and I've got to say I'm really relieved. We'll just wait for this to go. We've got less than 15 seconds to go now, so bear with me and I'll show you the results of my prostate test in my camper van. Now, if you are thinking of doing this test, you just saw me struggle pricking my finger and getting blood out, I would highly recommend getting 2 people to do this. There goes my alarm. Well, there you go, it's a negative test, only one little line there, so that means I'm good to go. I'm going to live till I'm 100 years old, hopefully. Now, like I was about to say, if you're thinking about doing one of these tests, I highly recommend getting someone to help you. You saw me struggling to get the blood out of my finger, the little pricker. Yeah, it doesn't really, well, it is literally a little prick. Yeah, so get someone to help you if you're going to do this test. I will put a link in the description of this video where you can buy one of these tests. Good luck everyone, stay safe, and if you like this video, do give me the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and help me achieve one of my lifetime goals. Thanks for watching, good luck, ta-ra for now.